another day. We're taking the shuttle to breakfast. Ta-da! We just ate breakfast. Now we're waiting for the shuttle. All these other people who all want to go to Disney. So there's a long, complicated transfer process. You have to take a ferry boat there, then you have to take a bus, ferry boat to somewhere, and then take a bus to Animal Kingdom.
What's around the river bend? Waiting just around the river bend. I look once more, just around the river bend, beyond the shore, where the gulls fly free. Don't know what for. What I dream the day might send, just around the river bend.
We're gonna go see some hippopotamuses and elephants and
Tiger.
giraffes and alligators.
Tiger.
Child eating alligators. That happened here, right?
No.
Wait.
It wasn't. Not at Animal Kingdom. Not here. It was at a resort.
Ah. Oh my God! It's like a paradise. It's the tree of life. It'll keep you young. Asia. There's gonna be tigers and what is this? Adventures Outpost? Mulan! Oh my God, frozen coconut lychee lemonade, bruh. Wait, that's $7, but that sounds so good. Edition Everest. Tiffany's phone was already at 40%, and then she brought this. Oh my God. And it's so heavy. Milk tea.
So the diet plan today is chicken drumstick and Mickey ice cream.
Oh my gosh. This one's a real crowd pleaser, not gonna lie.
That girl.
That is a real crowd pleaser. I don't think I've ever seen a bat. It's tough to be a bug. We're watching It's Tough to Be a Bug 4D movie. We got ice cream, Mickey sandwich, and a Mickey disassembled Mickey, and then a frozen banana. On safari. Just kidding. We're waiting for safari. We got this cool tracking device.
Crystal can't play contact.
Oh, we tried to teach Crystal how to play contact and that didn't work. But me and Tiffany had a fun time. Me and Tiffany basically played two-person contact. We've made it onto the safari. Finally. We set the wait time to 75 minutes. Because we just gave them our tag.
All right. If you haven't already, look above your heads. Every couple of rows, you'll find some animal spotting guides, and those will show you some of the first animals seen here on the reserve. Now, we're not going to see all of those animals. We might find some extras. You never really know. These are all going to be free-roaming animals. Those are our friends, the okapis. The okapis are the only animals in the world known to be related to the giraffe. Essentially, you're looking at a forest giraffe. They're much smaller, much different pattern, because they live in a totally different ecosystem. Pretty much a rare sight here, guys. Hippos will stay underwater all day, only leaving the water at night when they're looking for food. They'll eat about 80 pounds of food a day. These are going to be 16 feet long and are cold-blooded, so when you see them hang out with their mouths open, it's not that they're hot. Or sorry, it's not that they're hungry, it's that they're hot. Look at this guy here. That lets their excess body heat flow out. The baobab is drought resistant, and as such, it lives to be thousands of years old. They'll store water in that trunk during the rainy season every year. The water should last it from one rainy season to the next, but to be safe, they go leafless 9 months a year. The giraffe, as you know, is the tallest animal in the world. Particular giraffes are the tallest, are 18 to 20 feet tall. Maasai giraffes like these are a little bit smaller at 16 to 18 feet tall. Welcome to Elephant Country, guys. The red clay bits on either side of us show us tusk marks and footprints, evidence that the elephants can't be too far away. This first elephant here is very special. It's my favorite elephant, the youngest one on the reserve.
Aww.
And you see, almost all of them are flapping their ears out so they cool down. They have sensitive blood vessels behind their ears. By exposing those to the wind, they'll cool down about 15 degrees. You also see they have a lot of stuff all over them. Dirt, mud, hay, all sorts of stuff. That's how they protect themselves from getting sunburned. It's a behavior called dusting. And because there are no adult males in the herds, there's a female in charge, a matriarch. The one for this herd is the one straight ahead here. You just see the top of her right. It's a 9,000 pound, 37-year-old female African elephant. Now we take a quick little look around Flamingo Island. On this island you find the greater flamingo. They're the biggest. And because they're the biggest, they don't turn quite as pink as all the other flamingos. They hatch as gray and white little puffballs, and the process of turning pink will take them about 1.5 years of eating brine shrimp and shellfish, foods that contain the mineral beta-carotene. I see all these animals one more time as we loop around, but this is a great shot nonetheless.
We're gonna eat these in line for Lion King. We're in the Lion King theater right now. We finally got in.
We are here today to welcome you one and all to the festival of the Lion King. Oh, I just can't wait to meet you. Hello! Look at me! I'm in a parade! Come on, everybody! You know the words! Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. It ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free.
Doing it. It's the same thing.
Philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Moment, and it sees me through. It's enough what's precious for just to be with you. Can't live here, can't. Now it's all of grace, all the power of
Now we're trying to watch Nemo, and this thing is making my head hurt, I think. And so I'm wearing it as a necklace now. Or I could just be super dehydrated, but I drank a lot of water just now. Watching Nemo, we got in.
Big blue world, you're just a little fish. Big blue world, I don't be seen as a tasty thing.
Explain, I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory.
And yes, we see the light. Each day we fight the fight.
I want to go home, Daddy.
Honey, your dad is probably back at the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish.
Dude, you've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Dino USA. We're about to go on, and it's like it goes back in time with dinosaurs, but it like leads up to when the dinosaurs go extinct, and then the ride drops, and you die. Crystal fell asleep during the musical.
I did.
How do you feel?
Ashamed.
Dinosaurs closed temporarily. This is the worst way to end off the day. So dinosaurs closed officially for the rest of the night. And now we're leaving and going shopping, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. Still on the search for chicken! Kingdom now. It's 7 and it's been a good day. Despite not getting chicken and no dinosaur, we still got a lot done, and yeah, we just got breakfast and stuff from Walgreens because we decided breakfast this morning was not worth it.
It sure wasn't.
It sure wasn't. So also got hot Cheetos because I'm craving, and then we got cereal, and then Crystal got fruit. Crystal, did you get anything else?
I call loofah.
We're back in the crib. We just boiled some water because we're master chefs and we're gonna make some ramen. So tonight we are eating like kings. We made ramen.
It's king size.
A king size meal in a king size villa. I'm gonna take a bath with this bubble bar. Thanks, Minju. This is really nice. I'm doing it in this nice jacuzzi. Updates will be provided later. And by that, I mean completely PG updates. Yay! This is an ugly color.